Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. In the last video, we showed you how to install your outdoor electrical box. In this video, we will show you how to install the bubble cover. You will need a bubble cover, long 632 screws, and a screw gun. First, you will want to screw in the long 632 screws into the box, leaving them sticking out quite a bit. Then, you want to choose the proper insert configuration of the device. Snap that into the inside of the bubble cover. Next, insert the bubble cover over the long screws and screw down. Install the cover by inserting the gray tabs. Make sure it is straight with your level, and you're done. Like or subscribe to our page for access to another 150 videos.